Hello everyone, in this video how to convert color negative to positive in Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, open your negative image, go to file, open and see this negative image. Simply press Ctrl I on your keyboard or go to layer tab, new adjustment layer, invert and see this convert. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.